So here's a fun development. I'm adding some exterior lights to my garage workshop, and you're supposed to run Romex to all of your junction boxes and your exterior lights, and this is correct, but it's just a little piece, and it's connected to this, which is low voltage landscape wire and no ground. So they basically buried this ground wire inside a bunch of electrical tape and called it good. So I have to splice in a new piece from here over to that yellow Romex that's hanging down. And then I can continue doing what I was supposed to be doing.